Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. It's almost Easter and therefore I've decided to make an outstanding carrot cake with cream cheese frosting to sweeten up that special day. Let me show you how easy it is to make the best carrot cake out there. So let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of a 20 cm springform pan with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, add the 4 eggs, 250 ml of vegetable oil, 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this on medium-high speed just until everything is well combined. Now we will sift in 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Let's continue to beat this until everything is well incorporated. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl every now and then. This is the consistency we are looking for. Lastly, we can add the 350 grams of grated carrots and 100 grams of chopped walnuts. You could also leave the walnuts out and add raisins instead. This step is totally up to you. Mix this until everything comes together by using a rubber spatula. This is how our cake mixture should look like. We can now pour the mixture into our prepared springform pan. Bake this for 65 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 70 minutes. Let it cool down completely before we move on to the frosting. I'm now going to start to make my cream cheese frosting. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 200 grams of softened butter, 460 grams of cold cream cheese, 400 grams of confectioner sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. I'm going to mix this a little bit by using a rubber spatula so that the confectioner sugar won't fly all over the place when I start to beat it with an electric mixer. Now we can beat this all together until it turns smooth and creamy. Look how silky smooth the texture is. This is exactly how cream cheese frosting should look like. We are now going to cut our cooled carrot cake into 3 layers by using a very sharp knife, just like so. Just take a look at this beautiful cake layer with all of the carrots and nuts, just perfect. Finally, we can frost our cake. I'm just going to add a dollop of frosting on each layer and spread it evenly by using my offset spatula. I'm basically just eyeballing this, but you could also use a piping bag to be more precise. Let's continue to frost the entire cake. We don't need to smooth it out completely to look perfect this time, since we will be giving it a rustic touch later on. Now I'm going to use my small offset spatula and I'm just going to gently press it against the frosting and quickly lift it to create little peaks simply like this. For the finishing touch, I'm going to sprinkle a bit of chopped walnuts on top, and I've also bought some marzipan carrots to make it look even more prettier. This step is totally up to you. Let your imagination run wild at this point. So this is my amazing carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. This carrot cake is so moist, soft, and very flavorful. This definitely should not be missing on your Easter brunch table. I promise you, your family and friends are going to go crazy about this cake. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!